Let's go over how to generate a detailed budget plan using the UNI Global AI Copilot. On the left-hand side, under projected expenses, we've entered £15,000 in travel fare, £5,000 in accommodation costing. In the projected revenue field, we've added tuition fee estimates of £150,000. And under financial scenarios, we've included full enrolment of course cohort and a total maximum of £950,000. You can select a preferred language, model, and word count if you'd like. Once completed, click the Generate button. On the right-hand side, the tool delivers an international budget management plan. It presents a full financial overview, including revenue sources, total budget, and breakdowns of each major cost category, from staffing to materials and contingency funds. This report is ready to be reviewed, edited, exported, or integrated into your institution's financial documentation.